My 3 real resolutions for 2026: Health, Mission, and Happiness. 明けましておめでとうございます。今年もよろしくお願いします。Happy New Year! So it is 2026 now. How are you doing? How are you celebrating this new year? So in Japan, it is common to eat mochi, and this is Kinako mochi. Kinako is a roasted soybean flour. I shared with you before that Kinako has a high protein. It's a great ingredient. So usually we eat mochi with Kinako or with nori or some other things. But Kinako mochi is one of the popular ways of eating mochi. So that's something we eat in the new year. And also mikan. That is also popular in Japan to eat for the new year. How about you? How about in your region? Is there anything special that you do during the New Year holiday? Or is the New Year holiday? Because in Japan, New Year is the actual holiday. Christmas is not a holiday. The New Year, we have a public holidays for the first 3 to 4 days. So this year, January 1st until January 4th will be the kind of New Year holiday time. And all the family members get together, all the relatives get together. We have a New Year celebration. So what is the New Year's like in your country or region? Please share that in the comment section below. Okay, so have you made any New Year resolutions? So today I'll be sharing with you my 3 real resolutions for 2026. One is for health, one is for my mission, and one is for happiness. The first one for the health is I will limit alcohol consumption to only 1 night a week. So currently, I've been drinking 2 nights a week. Usually it's Friday night and Saturday night. I kind of relax and I sort of enjoy drinking wine. Not so much though, but usually during the week, I don't drink anything. But just Friday night and Saturday night, I enjoy drinking wine. But this year, I'll start drinking on Friday night and drink just only on Saturday night. That is my resolution. For other things, I don't have any because I have pretty much optimized my health. I have a perfect diet. I have a perfect fasting routine and perfect exercise routine. So I don't need to upgrade anything. Only thing I can think of is this alcohol consumption. Okay, so the second one is for my mission, which, as you know, is promoting this Ikigai biohacking. So I want to do that more this year. To do that, I'm using YouTube to spread this information. So this year, my goal is to gather 100,000 subscribers. This is a common milestone in the YouTube world. And if you achieve that, you receive silver play button. So that's something I would like to do because once you achieve that, it's a kind of proof that you have established yourself as a YouTuber. So this is something I'm aiming for so that I will be able to spread this information to a lot more people. So it'll be great if you can subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed yet. And one of the content I'll be focusing on this year is happiness. Health is, of course, this is a health and longevity channel. That is something I'll be working on. But the unique thing about the Ikigai biohacking is it includes Ikigai, something that can make your life valuable. I would like to age happily. I'd like to age with Ikigai. That's something I want to share in this channel. How to increase your health span with Ikigai. How to increase health span with happiness. So I want you to lead a happy, healthy life. Therefore, the third goal is about happiness. There's no point of becoming healthy if you're not happy. Being happy is important. So my happiness goal is I want to share this healthy life with somebody, especially my wife, because I've been exercising by myself. Maybe I will go for a walk with my wife just once a week. Well, the thing is, she doesn't like to exercise. So I don't want to force her to exercise every day. Just once a week is enough for her. And also, I'll be downgrading my level because walking is not intense enough for me. But to make time to exercise with her, I think it's great to go for a walk just once a week. So that is my resolution this year. sharing a healthy activity with someone is a good idea. So I recommend that to you too, because you want to have some social bond. That is the biggest source of Ikigai. So I want you to be healthy with Ikigai. So find a friend or family member or anyone to share your healthy life with. That will be something you can focus on this year as well. Right. So those are my 3 goals. The first one is limit my alcohol consumption to only 1 night a week. And the second one is spreading Ikigai biohacking, focusing on happiness and Ikigai. And to do that, I'd like to achieve 100,000 subscribers in this channel. And the third one is going for a walk with my wife once a week. So how about you? What are your resolutions? If you have 3, that's wonderful. If you don't, if you have just 2 or 1, that is okay too. So please share your resolutions in the comment section below. Okay, thank you for watching. Wishing you happy and vibrant 2026. I'll see you in the next video.